In order to solve a word problem, the thinking strategy that we should use is the KWDL. The word problem goes like this. Jonathan wants to save $200. So we know that's under your no. He wants $200 saved. Okay? He has $80. So he has $80. This is what he wants to save. And is cutting grass for $6 per hour. So he's making $6 per hour. Okay? What we want to know is we want to know how many hours he has to work to save his $200. So our want to know is how many hours. So what are we going to do? We can set up a simple equation to figure out what hours is, because that's what we don't know at this point. So we know he wants $200, so he wants everything to equal 200. What does he have? He has $80. What don't we know is we don't know he's going to make $6 per hour, but we don't know how many hours he's working. So what do we use? A variable to represent hours. I'm going to use an H. And now what we have to do is follow our simple steps to figure out what H is. So let's take a look. The first thing you're going to do is combine your constants, because I don't see any variables on this side. So I'm going to take away 80. What am I left with over here? 0 from 0 is 0, 8 from 10 is 2. Okay, $120 is what he still needs to make, because he already had 80 and he wants to get 200. So this is equal to his 6 hours of work, because positive 80, take away 80 is 0. Now this is a multiplication problem. I'm going to do the inverse, which is divide. And I know that 120 divided by 6 is 20. So what did I learn? I learned that Jonathan has to work 20 hours on top of everything else he's been doing so that he can make his original $200.